How to open two projects in Visual Studio Code. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just look for the folder that we want to upload right here into our Visual Studio. So for example, I want to use this folder right here. So what I want to do is to just drag this folder right here into Visual Studio, and then I'll just drop it down here, and then there you go. Our folder right here has now been uploaded, and then now we can now access our file. So after that, let's just add our other folder. So I'll just choose a folder right here. So for example, I'll use this folder right here. So I'll just drag it, move it into Visual Studio Code, and then just simply drop it here in the Explorer section. So I'll just drop this there. And then after that, this notification will pop up. So it will ask you, do you want to copy the file or your file name or add it as a folder to the workspace? So for me, I'll just add the folder to the workspace. I'll just click on that. And then after that, we have now access to our other file right here or folder. So there you go. And then if you want to open up multiple windows right here for both of your projects, what you can do is to just simply go in the top right corner right here, and then there's an option right here that will allow you to split the editor. So just click on this, and after that you'll have two windows right now in your Visual Studio Code. So you can open another file right here in your first window. So for example, I'll just open this file right here in our first window, and then I'll just move to the other window right here, and then I'll just choose the other file that I want to open. So for example, I want to open this file right here, and then after that, there you go. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open two projects in Visual Studio Code.